What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. Been doing several different things today in the shop. So first thing this morning, other than check email, is move my desk. So I moved my desk to that location. I had this little deal here. That has always been temporary, and it's just sitting there. It's not attached there. I'm fixing to throw it away, but I had that little thing over here because I didn't know what else to do with it. But my desk is there. This is gone. This is freed up. Now I can start on this project, which I am really excited about. That's going to be my modular storage system area. It's just going to be a bank of drawers. It's going to be pretty nice. I'm looking forward to that. So all the stuff that's on my outfeed assembly table is going to be there until I get this done. Well, it'll probably end up on the floor because I'm going to need my saw and table to build that. So I don't know what I'm going to do with all that stuff. It'll be scattered everywhere, I'm sure. So yeah, got the desk moved. I'm liking it in that location. So I'm getting used to the layout. I'm really, really enjoying it. I love change. Love change. So anyway, that's that. Also, today I recorded episode 5 of my podcast. So the Stone and Sons audio show it has 5 episodes. It's crazy. But if you are not subscribed, you can go subscribe on iTunes or Google Play just by searching for Stone and Sons audio show. It should come up. Or you can go to my website, stoneandsons.net/audio. There you'll find the podcast player. It's not updating. I got to figure out why it's not updating. So right now it's just showing like maybe 2 or 3 episodes. I don't know why. But anyway, you can still listen to those. They'll show up eventually, I hope. Let's see, what else? The Anchor app, several people are using it to call in, leaving questions for the show, and I highly, highly encourage you guys to call in, leave me some questions. I love it. So on your smartphone, if you will, download the app, Anchor, and search for Stone and Sons audio show, or Stone and Sons, or Sean Stone, and favorite my station, and then you can just click that little red plus sign, or call in and leave me a voicemail, and I'll feature it on the show. So it's a good way to ask your question and get some. I have some content, a question for some content, and then I want you to put in your website, your name, and Instagram, whatever, because I want to be able to share what you're doing, put your name out there, and so it's just a lot of fun. So be sure to go over there on Anchor and do that if you haven't already. Let's see what else. Oh, today is the last day for the giveaway. Today's the last day for the giveaway that Jay and I are doing. So I'm going to cut it off at midnight, I guess. Be sure to go over there and enter in if you haven't already. So there is what I'll do is I'll put a link down in the description of this video that you can click on. It'll take you straight there, which it'll give you all the details, the prizes, and all that stuff. So if you haven't heard, the main giveaway or the main grand prize of the giveaway is the dartboard that Jay and I made. But whoever wins it has to come pick it up, and you can note that in the giveaway when you enter to win, because there's other prizes to be had as well. But whoever comes to pick the dartboard up, we're going to grab a bite to eat for lunch and hang out in the shop. And so it'll be a fun time. I'm looking forward to it. And then there's some other things, some cool prizes there that are up for grabs as well. So go over there, hit the link down in the description of this video, and go enter. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun doing that. I'm looking forward to seeing who all wins. It should be fun. Jay and I will probably do a video next week or so to announce all the winners, but stay tuned on that. I don't know exactly when. I haven't talked to him about it yet, but we'll get it figured out and let you guys know. So I think that's everything. I say that all the time. I noticed in my video yesterday, I said, I think that's about it, and I kept on going like 2 or 3 more stories or whatever. So Workbench Con is coming up at the end of this month. The 22nd through the 24th, I'll be there. I know Jackman Works, Paul Jackman will be there. As far as speakers go, or people who are giving talks, I know Jimmy DeResta, Bob Claggett, April Wilkerson, Johnny Brooks going to be there, Evan and Caitlin. I don't know who else. I know there's a lot, but I can't. Ben Ueda, Chris Salamone, Mike Montgomery, I think. Anyway, there's several people. Go check it out at workbenchcon.com, and it's Atlanta from the 22nd through the 24th. If you can make it, come out. It should be pretty good. I'm looking forward to that. All right, guys, that is it for real this time. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Later.